Here's a question from our assignment in Unit 10 or Unit 8, where we're told that Jim received an invoice for $2,000 dated November 14th, and the sales terms were 25/10, 15/15, and N/30. How much should Jim pay if he pays the bill on November 23rd? Well, the first thing we want to recognize is that if he paid the bill on November 23rd, and it was dated November 14th, then he's paid the bill within 9 days of the date of the invoice. And that means then that he's going to get the discount for paying within 10 days, which is 25%, but also for paying within 15 days, which is 15%. So what will happen is the 25% for paying within 10 days will be applied to the invoice amount first. So the invoice amount is $2,000. To find what 25% of that is, we could multiply by 25%, or we could consider the fact that if he's receiving a discount of 25%, that means he's paying 75% of the invoice. The same can be said of the 15% discount. If he's receiving a 15% discount, that means he's paying 100 minus 15%, which is 85% of the amount. So we're going to take that $2,000 bill and we're going to multiply it by 75%. which of course is 0.75. So we see that the amount of the invoice now, after receiving the first discount of 25%, is $1,500. Now we apply the 15% savings to that. So we're going to take the balance now, $1,500, and multiply by the 85% or 0.85 that he's paying there. So the amount that he'll be expected to pay if he pays on November 23rd is $1,275.